Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group on your Telegram's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To create a group on Telegram, firstly go ahead and launch open your Telegram application on the device. The home page of Telegram will be displayed on the screen. From the home page, click on plus icon at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap on New Group option. On the next page, select the user or person you'd want to create a group with and then tap on arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Write or create your group name and once you're done, tap on tick mark icon. This is how you can create a group on your Telegram's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.